absence of Simon Ekpa, the silence of Simon Ekpa is causing not just in Enugu, there's some part Isiago in Ebonyi State. Last week, the same herdsmen went to the farm and killed the farmers. Look at the way the herdsmen carry their cow into the farmland of rice that is ready to harvest. See the way they eat it up. Are you getting it? Now, we have governors. The same governor in Imo State, in Enugu State, Mbah, they have said that they have about 50 evidence against Simon Ekpa. Now Simon Ekpa is in detention, as we all know, as we said. Is it Simon Ekpa that sent those Fulanis to do that in your state? In your state. Now, excuse me, Mbah, what are you actually doing? And you are having evidence against your brother, but you don't have evidence against Fulanis. No, you will have 50 evidence against your brother, but you don't have one evidence against Fulanis. Remember, the people voted for you to lead them, not to kill them. To lead them, not to kill them. To secure them, not to enslave them. Not to hand them over for enslavement for their enemies. Because to me, Fulanis are my enemies. Yes, take it or you leave it. Mbah, Mbah, because of the silence of Simon Ekpa. Look at the nonsense that is going on in Enugu, and you are there. And remember, you are the governor. You claim to be the governor. Look at what is happening under your watch. Where are, excuse me, where are the security personnel that you say you have? Where are they? Those security personnel that you say that you have, Mbah, where are they? Where are they? Let them come and secure the people of the land in your state now. Where are they? Mbah, where are they? Mbah, what? I am waiting. Because since this thing happened, up till now, I've not seen you, nor hear anything from you, or see any action from you. You say you have a vigilantes. Where are those vigilantes? Where are those vigilantes? Where are those security personnel? Where are those people that are supposed and meant to secure the people of the land? To secure the life and the property. Do you know how much it costs to do the rice farm that have gotten to the stage of harvest? And the Fulani with their cow, they never planted anyone, they never contribute to 1 naira for the growth and the success of that farm. But all they could do was to wait when the farm is ripe for harvest. They came to destroy it. And you expect me, somebody like me, to be happy with you, somebody like Mbah? Mbah? Do you know the meaning of Mbah? That's your name. You should stand up with it and act by it. Because I am not happy. Imagine Fulani. Who give Fulani the gun? If not, who give them that gun that they used to surrender those people in their farm? How did they come about the gun? How did they come about the gun? Is Nigeria a gun producer? Who give them gun? How did they come about gun? No, I'm asking. Even to have the boldness to carry it and surrender the owner of a farm and allow cow to eat up the farm crops.
Yes, as you can see, I'm in my farm. And I'm moving now. Newei, what came every day, Mevodo. Hatchwater in the Nubim. Not any whom. Unaya now and a half here now. Iboki reporting carbon cadence and say, Unaya, Unavia gained everywhere. And I'm the more woman. Newei, what can I do to Bunan 1 hour out of the Hakonka everywhere now. What can I do Hakonka everywhere now? Unavia, no carbonation. Open fortune story. Open a fortune story. As you can see, open a fortune story. Thank you.
This thing is happening live in Newei ndị na Newei local government of Old Enugu State. Some of you may not know there. Not Newei that is in Anambra. This one is happening in Newei. You understand? Live. So as you all can see, the cattle rearers and the cattle are there proudly destroying their crops in a broad daylight. This is not an audio something or maybe a doctored video. You see, they are actually harvesting the rice, and those cattle rearers are there destroying and proudly, confidently destroying their farm produce. And you know, if they eventually try to stop them here, they will just buy them. You know, they normally work with their gun. If you look at that guy, that cattle rearer, if you look at him very well, you'll see the gun by his side. They always work with the guns, cutlasses, and other weapons. You understand? Just imagine if it's just one person that is there harvesting that crops. Imagine what this people would do. This is how they go about raping our women, killing our farmers, destroying their farmland, everything. Proudly. Why must these people be in that community? Why? For how many years? I've been doing everything possible best to send these people away from Biafra land, but yet no. See, imagine. Just look, take a look at them. They are chasing them away from their farmland though. They are chasing them away from their farmland. You see how they are rushing to pack their things and run away for their life. This is happening in Biafra land. This is happening live in Biafra land. Farmers can no longer farm in peace. They can no longer have it. They are now sharing their crops with animals who never contributed anything. Just imagine. You think it's an audio something, nothing. This is a real life situation happening in Newei. We're not doing Old Enugu State. Anyway, is in Newei. I don't know the actual county that Newei is located right now, but I'm giving you the location based on the old state as Nigeria created it back then. Understand? Just take a look at this. Is pure wickedness.
These people must be brought to book. Mbah, if you did not do this, I will not forgive you. I will not forgive. It didn't happen to me, but the person it happens to is a human being. The person is a human being, and that is what he uses to feed, to take care of his family. By which I know that you have not one day helped this family. You have never for one day paid school fees for this family. You never for one day cares on how they feed. But look at what is happening. Mbah, step up, wake up. Something has to be done concerning this. You have to do something. Mbah, do something. You must do something.
But you're saying to do something. But you know, it's our time. The local government, not only Mbah cannot be able in Enugu State. You know, think at time the local government chairman stand up, to protect the life of.
Listen and listen good. He says, is it not high time the local government chairman to do what? To rise up. Yes. The one that will rise up, Mbah will use his position against them. Let Mbah approve this. When men rose up to defend their territory, the same Mbah say he has evidence against them. Evil evidence. Now they are silent. They are out. Mbah, look at what is happening. Where are your own security personnel? That's why I asked, and where those vigilantes? You are telling me local government. Let Mbah take the step first. The step Mbah take will encourage and will motivate the local government to act on it.
So do you not think
and to follow them.
Do you not think that time the Southeast government come together and look for a solution as regards?
Listen and listen good. It's not today we have been saying the Southeast to come up together. That is why I said I'm asking a question. How did those people get to go? Those governors, are they sleeping? Are you telling me they don't know what they are doing? I don't know. Excuse me, my dear. They are collecting money from federal government.
But we see, okay.
They are collecting money and they are using people of their state as what as a collateral.
They are collecting allocation money.
They are collecting allocation. If they are collecting allocation, what does it mean for? Is it not to take care of their states, including security? Can Igbo people stand up now, go to the north and begin to kill Fulanis? Their governor will rise against the Igbos. What are we saying? They themselves, the people will rise up against the Igbos. What are we saying? And you are telling me they collect a stupid allocation. That is nonsense. All this nonsense should stop. All this nonsense should stop. Oh. All this nonsense should stop. Enough is enough. There is an extent you can beat a child, and there will be a time you will not be able to raise your hand up in the front of that same child.
I find the federal government more sincere to their people than Ohanese and Igbo. Local elders forum are sincere to their people than Ohanese and Igbo. And Igbo are betrayers. Bunch of jobless, hungry people, beggars, begging money from Fulani government of Nigeria. Okay, Chukwu Ishi Guzoro, Secretary General of Ohanese and Igbo. When Obidiozon died, he was now come to take over the president general. What did Okechukwu Ishi Guzoro do to him? They fought because Okechukwu Ishi Guzoro was a puppet. Was a staff in the hand of Fulani government of Nigeria. It's a staff, walking stick in the hand of Fulani government of Nigeria. Personally, to me, that Ohanese and Igbo is supposed to be scribed. It's supposed to be scribed off. What are they Ohanese? What they are Igbo? What useful are they to us? Which decision they're making for us? To kill nnamdikanu, to kill someone, to subdue biafra, not to exist. Eh? The biafra don't believe in one Nigeria. The Igbos don't believe in one Nigeria. They let them go to one Nigeria and choose their president. You know what happened to that? That's number one. Number two, not to be Amechi, that want to be Ohanese president. When he was governor of Rivers State, Minister of Transportation, what have you done to the Igbos? I'm not talking the Igbo in mainland, as they call them south, east. But Igbos in Rivers, what have they done to them? What have you done to Ikwere? That can listen to them, that they can talk to. Not to me, Amechi put one electric pole in Ikwere, or dug one borehole in Ikwere. What did he do? No, what did he do when he was governor? When he was governor, that time he took River State money, $100,000, and give APC for campaign. Is it that money he used? By merit, by action, by anything. Not to me, Amechi is not supposed to be here. Even if at all, Ohanese and Igbo is a genuine organization. It's a perfect organization. Not to me, Amechi is not supposed to be here. Because he has power to better, at least, Rivers in general. Rivers in general. He didn't go anything. He wasn't able to unite Igbos that time. Is it now? They don't have power. They can be able to unite Igbos. They have fallen from politics. They have fallen from the corridor of power. Now he's looking for a place to click power. If Ohanese and Igbo, he want to be relevant, that's all. Under a corrupt institute, Organize and is a corrupt principle. Now, if Organize and Igbo group or political party or whatever they call themselves, if they are genuine, they can choose anybody, but not from southeast, so-called south, not that place anymore. They have been there too long. Neither Rivers, Akwa Ibom, Delta, or even Bayelsa, let them choose person there. Organize and Igbo doesn't mean you must only speak Igbo language before you become Organize and Igbo. Member of Organize and Igbo. Doesn't mean that. Forget it about Organize and Igbo. If it's a genuine place, it's supposed to be an umbrella covering social cultural group, covering the whole southeast. You understand? As far as their women tie two wrapper, one blouse, and the hair tire, all of them supposed to have one common umbrella of social cultural activities. But Organize and Igbo is corrupt. The people from it are corrupt. The men Igbo that raise it up are corrupt. Therefore, cannot function. Whether not to me amateur or not to me amateur, let it be spread. And I pray that when the government is sit well, is functioning fully, it should be corrupt, scrapped off. As Igbo was scrapped off by Eurosi. That is Ariwa, not to get from not Igbo. Yoruba, I find it they don't know how they handle their own. They know how they handle their own. They are corrupt, that's why we don't want them. They don't want us to handle them. Ariwa is not corrupt. Ariwa is fighting for their people. Have you seen Organize fighting for the Igbo man? Then bring him to kill. Bring him to kill. Give us money, kill our son. Give us money, kill our brother, kill our sister. They should uproot them totally. You don't need that body. You don't need body. What traditional rulers? Before Ironsi take over and before the Civil War, we have what we call Eastern Region Traditional Rulers Forum, which compromise every tribe in the then Eastern region. Even the chairman of that Eastern region traditional ruler before the war started was an Ikore man. I forgot his name. He was an Ikore man. Nigerian University Student Union in Nsukka, the chairman of President General was this man, Asikata Kaboro. When he was a student in Nigerian University, he was the president, Nigerian Student Association in Nsukka. That's how it's supposed to be. It doesn't mean that he must only be an Igbo man, although he later betrayed himself and paid for it. When somebody is married and they can perform well, put him there, no matter the tribe they come from. At first, it's sort of a corrupt person. But as for Organize and Igbo, it should be scrapped. It should be scrapped, completely uproot and cast into fire. Their documents should be burned. Their structure building should be pulled down because they are completely afraid. They are a disgrace to the entire Eastern region. They are disgrace to the entire Biafras. They are disgrace to themselves. They are disgrace to themselves. They should borrow a look to Arewa. They should borrow a look from are far better than them. I find it they're more sincere to their people than Organize and Igbo. Local Elders Forum are sincere to their people than Organize and Igbo. And Igbo are betrayers. bunch of jobless, hungry people, beggars, begging money from Fulani government of Nigeria. Okay, Chukwu Ishibuzolo, Secretary General of Finance and Igbo. When Obidozo died, the one who came to take over the president general. What did Dr. Chukwu Ishibuzolo do to him? They fought because Dr. Chukwu Ishibuzolo was a puppet, was a staff in the hand of Fulani government of Nigeria. He's a staff, walking stick in the hand of Fulani government of Nigeria. He fought the one wanted him and the one reach agreement to support Fulani government of Nigeria. Even when Obi was rigged out, what did both the one and Dr. Chukwu Ishibuzolo did? Did not say let us support Tinubu? It's okay. Let us support Tinubu. It's okay. Do they fight for P2B? Although P2B did not come out to claim what I just give to him, but do they make any comment in favor of P2B? The same honest and legal. Okay, Chukwu Ishibuzolo, all of them. The same. I beg, let us talk of the living, not of the dead. Let us talk of the living, not of the dead.
So you see, finally, you see that Rotimi doesn't have any claim to the president of Anise, and at the same time, the body should be scrapped.
There's no need of talking Rotimi or not Rotimi. Let the body be scrapped off. Let them be scrapped off. Let them be bound and make a law, pass a law. Anybody will hear Ohaneze in his part again will spend his life in imprisonment. Don't love imprisonment. Don't kill him, but pass him into prison. Let the federal government pass that law. They have finished Biafrans. They have finished Igbos.
So you feel that they betrayed?
They are total betrayers. Judas is far better than them. We know that it's Judas.
The president or the alleged, aspirants go to different regions to solicit for support.
Okay.
So you feel that, someone like Tinubu now, is coming to the southeast, maybe for 2027. Who is he going to meet? As an organization,
excuse me, we have traditional rulers. If they want, let them form South-East traditional rulers forum, and we support that one.
Everybody say the same thing.
It's not the same thing. It's not the same thing.
It's like another one.
No, it's not an Ohaneze. This Ohaneze, how many of them are Atato holders? They're not traditional rulers. They don't come in the language of most of them. They come in the language of traditional rulers. They don't come there. Most of them are not on Jofo. You know what do you Igbos call on Jofo? They're not on Jofo. We have traditional rulers. We have Jofo. They are not on Jofo. They are not traditional rulers. They are only hungry people looking a way to means to know what they will eat.
Point of correction, he did not witness war because there was no war in his place. Are you getting it? No, he did not face war. Did he carry gun? No, ask the clerk whether he carried gun. Did he carry gun? He was alive. He was there war in his place. Buhari have Oyewe in Niger Delta. Abu Salam have in Niger Delta. Sultan of Sokoto owns one. Did you have any mining company of your own in the north? Did you own any company or ten in the north? TINT that come from the north? Did you not own any company of gold that come from the north, Bono State? I remember one boss of Evangelist Benjamin Johnson Nachi, the only Biafran evangelist that speak the truth and nothing but the truth and ready to end by it. Now hear me and hear me clearly. Yeah, the IPOB are attacking him now because of his statement. And you know that Nigeria have already superhead this man by using money to buy him over. Remember what I said the last time, that This man was saying all what he said based on the income that Nigeria is giving to him monthly. Yes, and somebody say that he's an elderly man, elderly statesman, and moreover that he witnessed, point of correction, he did not witness war, because there was no war in his place. Are you getting it? No, he did not face war. Did he carry gun? No, ask the clerk whether he carried gun. Did he carry gun? He was alive. He was there war in his place. Yeah, I am the listen and listen good. I'm talking of Edwin Clark. Did he carry gun? Did he face bullets? Did he know the sound of when you talk of AK-47? Do you know what that means? When you hear the bullet, when you hear the sound of that gun, did he know the sound? Can he differentiate it? I get anyway. That's what I'm saying with the banger. Can he differentiate it? I'm talking from because my own dad is still alive and he witnessed the war. I don't know if you're getting it. He did not just witness the war by seeing it, he witnessed the war by carrying the gun to defend the territory. Yes. Yes. And my uncle died after the war. Jack, my mom, elder brother. So I am not speaking in the angle of ignorance, I'm speaking in the angle of the truth. I am speaking because this person did not witness, but he faced it. So Edwin Clark, now the IPOB are now taking it. They should leave that man because he's old. I believe that age is disturbing him now. Age is disturbing his memory now. Age is what is worrying him now. So they should leave the old man because shock may take him before his time. So they should free him because he's just a person. It's not the person. He only airs his opinion. That doesn't mean that every other person will follow him or they are doing what they ask them to do. Anybody can say anything, and whatsoever you say, you will definitely have a support from somebody. Somebody must support what you say, but that doesn't mean that it is true or it is lie. That is his own opinion. But hear this: the pandemic is not older than Biafra, the Igbos. For your own information, I've said this thing before, and that is why I am referring to his age, old age, because that thing now is having a short of memory over some certain things that makes him to be making some kind of silly mistakes by saying that a job River State is older than Igbo.